Can you tell me a joke? That was me. That was a good one. Okay. What's up, guys? My name is Nicole Young, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I'm going to be talking about my experiences as a Black woman in tech, particularly being a Black woman who had no prior experience in tech, no education or anything before the last 2 years where I got a job at a tech startup. I'm going to share all of the things that I had to do to navigate the new environment and culture and kind of things that I put up with being the only Black woman in most cases. I'm also going to be sharing a lot of my opinions and research in a big passion of mine right now, which is tech equity and accessibility. There's a ton to unpack with that, but I'm really focusing on how the advances in tech are affecting the Black community. And the biggest thing that I'm so excited for on this channel is that I'm going to be sharing my entire coding journey. I have a huge goal of landing a position as a software engineer by the end of 2020. So pray for me, y'all. I am going to share my resources and systems and processes to building projects to beef up my portfolio and be able to land that job by the time this year ends. So if you're a self-taught coder, or if you're interested in how AI is affecting the Black community, or if you're thinking about getting into the tech industry, this is the channel for you. Definitely subscribe. I have a ton of content in store for you guys, and I'm so excited to bring you along with me on this journey. All right, love you guys.